Hi guys, how are you? Today here is an interesting question. There is an aromatic aldehyde which is treated with CH2 double bond CH COOMe. So this is an alpha beta unsaturated ester in presence of Dabco catalyst, and secondly finally the reaction with BN-NH2, that is benzylamine. So Dabco, you have to remember this name. Dabco catalyst is a catalyst which is particularly used in a name reaction called Bailey-Silman reaction. Bailey-Silman reaction. Bailey-Silman reaction. Sometimes it is called Morita Bailey-Silman reaction. Morita Bailey-Silman reaction or MBH reaction. Here Dabco acts as a nucleophilic catalyst. What is Dabco? Dabco is 1,4-diaza bicyclo 2,2,2 octane. The structure of Dabco is this. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1,4-diaza, it is a bicyclic compound, and all this bridged has two carbon atom. So it is a 2, 2, 2, and total number of atom is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is a 1,4-diaza bicyclo 2,2,2 octane. Now we'll go through the mechanism and see the final product. So what will happen? First, this is an alpha beta unsaturated ketone. So this Dabco is a very good nucleophile as well as a very strong base. So it will act at this position. Now the aromatic aldehyde will act as a base, electrophile, will act as the electrophile. We'll draw this in this way: ClF CH O minus C C, here CH CH C double bond of OMe. So this will produced, and then here will be a positive charge. Then this will take that proton. So what will happen? CHOH C minus double bond of OMe CH2 plus. Now we can see that this anion is resonance stabilized. So this proton will be easily taken by this oxide ion. Now this is an excellent leaving group. So this will leave. what will be the product? Here ClF CHOH C double bond CH2 C double bond OMe. Now this is again an alpha beta unsaturated ester. If it is treated with benzylamine BnNH2, then it may attack either in this position or in this position. So where it will attack? It will not attack in this position, because here if it is attacked, it will convert it into a tetrahedral intermediate. Due to this large group attached to this carbon atom, the tetrahedral intermediate will be highly unstable. So it will not attack into this carbon atom, rather than it will attack at this carbon atom, that is beta position. So 1 for addition, 1 for attack will be favorable here. 1 for attack. So BnNH2 will attack this position. CHOH now it will take that proton, this proton will be taken. So what will happen? So minus H plus plus H plus CHOH C CH bond CH2 NHBN C double bond OMe. So this will be our product. So guys, if you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in comment box. And to get such interesting name reaction, please follow my channel and see the playlist name reaction, and you will get various type of name reaction in the description box also. Thank you. Have a good day.